Hi, this is Dr. Bhairavi from Chennai, and we run a clinic called Behance Luke's Dermatology here. It's been 2 years since we started the clinic, but I've been practicing for about 6 years now. And Mr. Ilesh is very dear to us. He's been part of our clinic, and he's helped me establish my practice in such a way that I'm so confident to face my patients, because it's just not clinical practice, but being a doctor, it's also being an entrepreneur. And Mr. Ilesh has helped us develop this skill very smartly. Mr. Ilesh has been a mentor, and he's guided me as well as my staff in beautifully smoothly running the clinic. I think apart from having a great knowledge on pharmaceutical products, he is an amazing businessman. He's extremely innovative, and he takes in any kind of new idea that you can provide, and he really twists it around, and he brings in so much of technology from all around the world. When I heard that he's going to come out with something called iDoc, I was extremely thrilled, because we were all looking out for something like that, like a one-stop solution for all kinds of clinical as well as marketing strategies that we would need to follow to run a very successful practice. He is the best person who we can think of to create something like this, because he understands every doctor and what they need. Very smart in customizing options, or to give you like suggestions as how to run your clinic according to the doctor's personality. We feel extremely connected with the entire setup. Sometimes I feel it's my own family or company that I'm dealing with. Mr. Ilesh, as such, I think he is gifted with the ability to understand each person and then work according to their needs. And I think iDoc is something which is going to be of a great help to a number of doctors across the country and maybe even around the world. It's a very smart decision to come out with something like this, an application that can cater to all kinds of clinical and I think technical needs. And as doctors, though we can medically we are trained to treat and to work with the medical complications. At the end, it's about being a businessman or woman and trying to deal with your business every day. And whether it comes to your taxes, whether it comes to establishing a pharmacy, getting your registration done, your TIN number, working on conferences, working on basic supplies of your prescription pad, your personal card, everything has to be done in such a way that it actually relates to your brand as well as what the doctor wants to do for the patients. And I think Mr. Ilesh has managed to capture that essence in all that he does. And for me personally, I think he's been like a big brother who's done a lot for our clinic here. I hope iDoc becomes a big success. I know for sure that it is going to be an extremely important tool for every doctor to have to establish his or her practice and to run it successfully. And I wish Mr. Ilesh all the best for coming out with this wonderful tool.